In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your tail light on your Ford E-350 Super Duty. You're going to use a T15 Torx screwdriver, and you're going to undo these screws. There's 4 total, so after you're done with this one, you're going to do the same for the rest. So you're going to use your flathead screwdriver, and you're just going to help take it out. Now you're going to take the tail light and pull it out. Now you can just turn these out. Okay, so now's a good time to clean up your surfaces and your bulbs with a rag. Get all the dirt off of things, if it's dirty. So now here we are, we're gonna disconnect our bulbs from the harness. It's just gonna be easier to get those bulbs in the new housing. All right, if you're having trouble getting your connector off, sometimes there's too much crud in there, so you're gonna wanna wiggle it a little bit with a flathead screwdriver, and that should free it up a little better. Okay, put that one off to the side. Now we can do this one, see if this one comes out. It does. Okay, so this one with the 3-key socket goes where the 3-key socket goes. So you're gonna lock that in by pushing down. So once you get that started, you just push it that way, and it'll lock in place. And now you can do your other one. Again, you wanna line up the key, and you just spin it into place. And now we can install it on the vehicle. All right, so now we have those in place. We're gonna put our harnesses back. Black one goes on the black socket, and the gray one goes on the gray. Once those are locked in place, you can line it up. Make sure you have these guides lined up with these holes. All right, so make sure you're lined up with your guides. It'll sit itself in there. And now you can get your screws started. All right, so now we are going to install our screws with a T15. You want to snug it up. Do the same for the rest of the screws.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.